When you think of adding lights to your home or garden, you probably envision the hassle of hiring an electrician, dealing with wires, and spending a fortune. But what if there was a way to get high quality lighting in seconds without all the complexities? Introducing Lumenology, the wireless motion light that combines convenience, efficiency, and professional level brightness into one simple, affordable solution. Whether you need it for your driveway, porch, garage, or outdoor events, Lumenology makes it easy to light up any space with minimal effort. Let's explore how Lumenology is revolutionizing lighting for homeowners and DIY enthusiasts alike. What is Lumenology? Lumenology is a wireless, motion sensing light that provides professional grade illumination without the need for an electrician. It's a simple, versatile lighting solution designed for quick setup and maximum convenience. Whether you're lighting up your entryway, outdoor area, or even working on a DIY project, Lumenology gives you the ability to add light exactly where you need it quickly and easily. Unlike traditional lighting that requires wires and professional installation, Lumenology operates wirelessly, making it the perfect solution for both renters and homeowners. With its easy setup and effective motion sensor, this light is designed to enhance your security, convenience, and overall ambiance. How does Lumenology work? Lumenology is all about simplicity and efficiency. Here's how it works. Wireless convenience. Lumenology is powered by 3 AA batteries, not included, which provide long-lasting illumination. The motion sensor detects movement up to 13 feet away, automatically turning on the light when you approach and switching off when you leave. Quick setup. Setting up Lumenology is a breeze. Simply attach the light to any flat surface using its built-in magnet or tripod legs. The tripod legs can be wrapped around tree branches, fence posts, or even your BBQ grill, providing endless mounting possibilities. Motion detection. Once installed, Lumenology's motion sensor automatically detects movement within a 13-foot range. The light will turn on when it senses motion and turn off after a set period, ensuring that your space is illuminated only when needed. It's completely hands-free, saving you time and energy. Adjustable settings. You can customize the light's behavior, set it to always on for continuous light, or let it turn on and off automatically based on motion detection. This flexibility makes Lumenology perfect for a wide variety of uses, from outdoor security to ambient lighting for parties and gatherings. Features and benefits of Lumenology. Lumenology isn't just about providing light, it's about providing light that works efficiently, is easy to install, and fits seamlessly into your lifestyle. Here are the key features and benefits. Wireless and battery powered, Lumenology eliminates the need for wiring or electricians. It's powered by 3 batteries that last a long time thanks to the energy efficient motion sensor. You don't have to worry about complicated installations or spending money on electricians. Motion sensor technology. With its long-range motion detection, up to 13 feet, Lumenology ensures that your space is lit when you need it most. It's 100% hands-free, so you don't have to manually turn it on or off. The light automatically detects your presence and activates itself. Multiple mounting options, whether you need to mount it on a flat surface or hang it from a tree branch. Lumenology's flexible tripod legs make installation easy and adaptable. The built-in magnet allows you to place the light on metal surfaces, further expanding its versatility. Energy efficient. The smart motion sensor ensures that Lumenology only uses energy when needed, extending battery life. In motion sensing mode, the light remains off until it detects movement, conserving battery and providing long-lasting use. Weather resistant. Lumenology is IP43 certified, which means it's designed to withstand various weather conditions, rain, snow, or shine. Your Lumenology light will continue to shine bright and provide security no matter the season. Compact yet powerful. Despite its small size, approximately 3.5x 3.75x 4.25, Lumenology provides bright, clear light with a range that can cover up to 40 feet. It's perfect for lighting up walkways, gardens, driveways, or any area in need of extra illumination. Flexible use. You can use Lumenology indoors or outdoors. It's great for garages, front porches, backyards, and even camping trips. The ability to attach it to metal surfaces or wrap it around poles makes it incredibly versatile. How to use Lumenology. Using Lumenology is simple. Install the batteries, place 3 AA batteries, not included, into the light. This will power the light for up to 12 months on motion sensing mode, depending on usage. Mount the light. Use the built-in magnet or flexible tripod legs to attach Lumenology to any surface. Whether you're hanging it on a tree branch or placing it on a porch railing, the setup is quick and easy. Adjust settings. Choose your preferred mode, motion sensing for automatic activation or always on for continuous light. The motion sensor will activate the light when it detects movement up to 13 feet away. Lumenology pros and cons. Like any product, Lumenology has its pros and cons. Let's take a look at the advantages and limitations. Pros. Wireless, no wiring or professional installation required. Flexible mounting options, use it almost anywhere from trees to fences to metal surfaces. Motion sensing technology automatically turns on when you approach, hands-free operation, weather resistant, IP43 rated, making it durable in rain or snow. Long battery life runs for up to a year on 3 AA batteries in motion sensing mode. Compact design, small and lightweight, easy to store and move. Affordable, no expensive installation or electrical work required. Versatile, ideal for indoor and outdoor use from security to ambiance. Corns, battery dependency requires 3 AA batteries which will need to be replaced. Limited brightness, while sufficient for most casual uses, it may not provide enough light for large areas. Not solar powered, while battery powered, it could have been more eco-friendly with solar capability. Price and where to buy Lumenology. Lumenology is available at great prices through the official website. One Lumenology light, $39.99. Buy 2, get 1 free, $99.98. Buy 3, get 2 free, $49.97. Best deal, buy 4, get 4 free, $99.96. Retail $39.99. Each purchase comes with free shipping and a 1-year warranty. Plus, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you're not satisfied, return it for a full refund. Lumenology is only available on the official website, so make sure to buy from the source for the best prices and offers. Conclusion: Lumenology is the ultimate solution for adding bright, reliable lighting to any space without the hassle of wires or expensive electrician fees. Whether you need light for your porch, driveway, garage, or backyard, Lumenology provides a simple, effective, and affordable way to brighten your world. With its motion sensing capabilities, weather resistance, and easy setup, it's a versatile light that suits all your needs. Don't waste any more time with complicated installations or costly electrical work. Lumenology offers an easy, portable, and practical lighting solution that you can use anywhere, anytime. It's time to enjoy the perfect blend of functionality and style in your lighting. Get Lumenology today and experience lighting made simple.